Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be trying out this weird mascara that I bought from Facebook. It's called 4K Vivid Galaxy Mascara, and honestly, like from reading the comments and reviews, it looked like it was pretty legit, but then when I read the reviews on the company, it said it was a total scam. So I guess that's what I'm gonna be doing today. It looks pretty sketch, honestly. Like I wasn't expecting the packaging to look like this. It says, like, I don't even know, the Starry Sky Flying Long Mascara. I don't know. Professional fashion. Eyelash curling formula can enhance eyelashes from the root and easily create the natural long curling eyelashes with clear black color. Clear black colors. And that, like, the complete opposite. Whatever. Waterproof and non-staining, maintain the charm of makeup. Method of use. In eye, head, eyes, and to draw the first three. Painted along the eyelash root will be evenly into 3 lines. What? 3 lines? Like, am I gonna have like 3 eyelashes? Anyways, okay, I'm gonna give this a go. Okay. Ooh, okay, well at least the bottle is really pretty. This is exactly what it looked like on Facebook when I found it. It's like really shiny. It's actually kind of pretty. I'm kind of into this, not gonna lie. Okay, oh. It's kind of like slimy, like, oh, did you guys see that? Wait. Oh my God, okay. Okay. Kind of just looks like regular mascara. I don't think there's any like 4K silk fibers from what I can tell. Let me try the other eye. I haven't even curled my eyelashes or anything, by the way. Like I'm just kind of, I don't really like the eyelash curler anyways, so let's see if this does any curling action like it, oh my God, ew. Like it says on the bottle. I'm trying to stay positive here, guys. It's not looking good. The one thing I'll give it is that it's not clumpy, like, but it doesn't even look like it's elongating my eyelashes at all. It just kind of looks like it's coating my lashes with black stuff. Just can't get over this. Never had a mascara more slimy in my whole life. Guys, this mascara straight up sucks. And it smells like cheap perfume. I literally can't. Okay, well, I have about 3 coats on right now. 3 coats. I mean, it's not terrible, but I definitely like my Too Faced one better. So let me just put 1 coat on and then I can decide whether this is a scam or not. But I'm pretty sure it's a scam. Oh my God, ew. Almost got some on my jeans. Oh. Okay guys, I have 4 coats on. 4. Usually a very positive person, honestly, but this was a scam. If you see this shit on Facebook, don't buy it. Unless like you just want a regular drugstore mascara. It was honestly like the same price, but it came in like 3 weeks. It was kind of a long time, but yep, here's the finished result. So I hope you guys like this video. I mean, I'm pretty down to try stuff from the internet, see if it's a scam or not, because like who knows, it might actually end up being good, but in this case, it was not. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you next time. And again, don't buy this. Bye.